Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create coupons, a feature exclusive to our Pro Suite and Portfolio Plus subscribers. This is a great marketing tool to promote sales and to draw in potential clients. Coupons can be applied to print products and digital downloads, but it's important to note they're not compatible with packages. So to get started, we'll click on the selling icon on the left and the coupons tab. From here, we want to create a new coupon. You can decide if you want to create one for free shipping or a general coupon. In this guide, we're going to do general. So from here, you can set the percentage off, or you can change it to a dollar amount off. Let's leave that at 20%, and we'll set the minimum order amount for 50. You can choose if you want to include free shipping. You can write a description here. In this field, you can limit to only specific products, and if you choose to do that, that's going to pop up all of your choices. Here, you can set your coupon code, or if you'd like to view a list of samples, those are available here. You can set how many times the user can use the code, or you can set it to unlimited. Click Apply. From here, choose who you want the coupon to apply to, and if you want it to apply to all galleries or only selected galleries. Click Apply. From here, you can set the start date, the end date, and if you want it to start at the default 11:59 p.m., or if you deselect that, you can customize that field. You can choose if you don't want it to have an expiration, click Apply, and then just scroll down. Double check that everything is set correctly, because once a coupon becomes active, these settings cannot be changed. From here, you can choose if you want to send announcement and reminder emails, or you can decide to display a banner in a gallery. When you have everything set up the way that you want it, just click Save, and it's going to take you back to your coupon section so you can see that it's scheduled. Now, if you need to make any changes, click the 3 vertical dots over here. You can edit, rename, duplicate, or delete a coupon. I hope this has been helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.